Welcome back to the Masked Inspector. If you love insane and unexpected construction moments, you're in the right place. From epic fails to mind-blowing builds, even the coolest women on site this channel shows the wildest side of construction. Some of these will shock you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let's get into it. One wrong move, and everything could go terribly wrong. Demolition may look satisfying, but it's a high-risk job that requires precision and planning. Every detail from structure to timing must be calculated carefully. In seconds, it can go perfectly or turn into disaster. Watch closely. This is controlled chaos in action. Respect to those who risk it every day. Look at how hard they work in construction, even with physical limitations. While many would give up, they keep pushing forward with incredible determination and strength. Their spirit is a powerful reminder that challenges don't define us. Our mindset does. There's a lot we can learn from their resilience and never give up attitude. How is their work this smooth and precise? It looks almost flawless, like there isn't a single rough surface. Watch closely. Every movement is controlled, every detail carefully crafted. This level of skill takes years of practice, patience, and real experience. So what do you think? How long did it take them to master this level? Wait until you see this. These women are stepping onto construction sites and proving they're just as skilled, precise, and powerful as anyone out there. From heavy lifting to detailed craftsmanship, their work will surprise you. Watch closely. The results might change the way you see construction forever. This could happen in seconds. On construction sites, danger is always one small mistake away. That's why every step, every move, and every decision matters. Safety isn't optional. It's what keeps everyone going home. Watch closely. And remember, following safety procedures can make the difference between a close call and a serious accident.
Allahu Akbar.
Stay strong and keep going. No matter your age, your experience is your greatest strength. Every challenge you faced has shaped who you are today. Keep your spirit alive, enjoy the little moments, and take pride in how far you've come. Wishing you health and happiness always. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.